In a significant development, India's health ministry has revamped the prescribed treatment for COVID-19 patients. According to the new guidelines, the use of Ivermectin, hydroxychloroquine, antiviral favipiravir, Doxycycline, zinc and vitamins has been completely scrubbed off. Ivermectin, hydroxychloroquine and favipiravir were till now used for asymptomatic or mild cases. In fact, all medicines have been removed for such cases except antipyretic for fever and antitussive for cold in case of mild patients. According to officials, experts found that these medicines did not help COVID-19 patients. The asymptomatic patients have been advised not to take any medication and there is no emergency detection needed. Meanwhile, medications for other comorbid conditions should be continued. The DGHS has said that tocilizumab, which was in high demand during the second wave, should be used only for severely and critically ill patients. The new guidelines also warn against the unnecessary use of high-resolution CT scans. In India, mostly the guidelines are released by the Health Ministry and the Indian Council of Medical Research. However, the ICMR still recommends the use of both ivermectin and hydroxychloroquine, even though it dropped convalescent plasma from its treatment. The manufacturer of the widely sought-after drug in April, favipiravir, a drug which was authorized for emergency use, made some shocking revelations. The drug had been tested in just 150 patients with mild to moderate illness. But the trial didn't even determine whether people taking the drug were less likely to develop severe forms of the disease or die from it. The drug has also been approved for emergency use in China and Russia, but regulators in the United States and South Korea have not authorized its use. On to the other medicine, ivermectin. The World Health Organization had warned against its use. German pharma giant Merck had said that there was no scientific basis for a potential therapeutic effect from against COVID-19 from preclinical studies. The US Drug Administration FDA had also in April last year recommended against the use of ivermectin in treating COVID patients. FDA said, and I quote, "Taking large doses of this drug is dangerous and can cause serious harm." There is also no indication that zinc and vitamin tablets cause improvement in COVID patients. Both of them had become household names and achieved record sales during 15 months of the pandemic. Both have several side effects, including stomach pain, dizziness, and headaches. According to AIOCD, a pharmaceutical market research company, at least 15 pharmaceutical companies are selling these drugs in India, and sales reached $8 million at its peak. World Health Organization's chief scientist Soumya Swaminathan has hailed the new evidence-based guidelines developed by the Director General of Health Services. She has stressed on the fact that mildly ill COVID patients would be fine with just paracetamol, cough syrup, and a budesonide inhalation. She has added that there need not be prescribed any antibiotics or major drugs at all.